Let's talk about Philips Hue wireless lighting dimmer switch white. Dim your Philips Hue lights with the Hue dimmer switch. Smooth and effortless dimming for Hue lights. Start your Hue ecosystem with the dimmer dimmer switch. Completely portable switch, place anywhere you need a light switch. Use as a remote control wireless switch and remote control in one. Works on batteries included 1XCR 2450 battery. Control your Philips Hue lights with your voice on Amazon Echo, Amazon Echo Dot, and Amazon Tap. It's a good switch but doesn't cover the whole original plate. I had to cut my own piece of wood that fit round the existing plate and then stuck the remote to the piece of wood. Not great, but the outcome isn't too bad. Technically, the remote works very well and I have one at both the top and bottom of my stairs.